they are overallocated. So first, let's start with the options. So when we talk about options, it could be when a resource gets overallocated, you can look for the first option where you can either add an additional resource, or you can remove a resource, or you can replace one resource with another resource with the same skill set. The second option is you might want to split a long activity into shorter ones. Okay, so a simple example would be there are certain tasks that need not be done in a continuous manner. For example, if I have a testing activity, and if I'm working on a testing activity on week 1 and I'm also working on another designing activity on week 1, it might happen that the designing should be done continuously, whereas the testing activity can be broken down such that I can do one piece in week 1, another piece of week 1 can be pushed to week 3 also. So depending on the nature of the task, you might want to split it. The third is the resource calendar or their availability by itself can be customized. So you might find that the resource is much cheaper, maybe you can extend its availability, or you can push the resource to work during weekends so that you can ensure that the resource is not overutilized. The third option or the fourth option is if you have two parallel activities, you might want to delay one of these two activities to a later date. So these are the general options which all of us do generally know. Now let's look at the different views available through which we can resolve these resource overallocation problems. So the first option is a report, which I'm just going to show you. The name of the report is called the Overallocated Resource Report. So this report is a tabular report which you look at, through which you'll be able to find out which resource is overallocated and what is the reason why these resources are overallocated. Followed by, we will talk about the Gantt chart view and the resource sheet view that will throw indicators to you why resources are overallocated. The last two views, that is the team planner view and the resource allocation view, is what we are going to spend more time on, because these are the views that will give you the lowest level detail about where, when, on which activity the resource got overallocated, and it will also give you options by which you can resolve these resource overallocation problems. But let's first start with the overallocate